Good morning once again, this is Eric, and this time to continue with our JavaScript that would allow you to display a string. And of course, last time we were able to display the system data for our computer. And if you would like to display a string, there are methods to be used as well. We have what we call also the document that write. So I think this is not recommended if your network is poor, so the connectivity issue would not function if you're going to use this one. So let us try that one, save that, and onto our screen. So test is also displayed here. There is another method called window.alert. This would pop out your string. Okay, windows.alert, then whatever be the display output you would like to display in your web page, so it pops out something like this. Okay, now we could also call a function. So to call a function in HTML using JavaScript, of course, let me first comment this one so that this would not work. Okay, we can also call a function with our button. So let us have this in my code. But remember, when you code your JavaScript, it should be below your HTML tag or before the end tag of your body. So do not put your script on top of your HTML tag. It won't work. Though you could insert in here your script tag if you would want to, but if you have so many scripts or links to be processed by your head tag, it would cause a problem on the performance. So to create what we call function, we could call in something like function name. So on click, of course, on click, then let us call in the function. Okay, so that function would be, let's say, alias function. Okay, alias function, then and that tag. Okay, alias function, then of course we say alias function, let us label that to something like click here. So if you click that one, it calls into this function, but we need to create a script that would allow us to call that function. So to do that, of course, script tag is needed, then terminate that one. Okay, and this time within that script tag is a function. So function declaration would be function and the name of your function here. Okay, and what does this function do? So we could simply display, say, document that right would be displaying your any text here you want within this double quotation. So let us try. Click me, then test would be our string to be displayed. So that is how you call in a function within your body tag. But if you have an external file, for example, let's create an external file called let's have another file name for our JavaScript. So my file JavaScript, let's have this my file JavaScript. So that JS would be the file name, and I'll just want to simply call a function something like this into our myfile.js and save that one. Then we just simply remove this one, okay, and put in the source. So src equals the source of your myfile.js. So that myfile.js would be, of course, the link to where that file is. If this doesn't work, perhaps you have placed onto your file to where your script is not being detected when you run your code. So if this doesn't work, put in the dot and slash to locate the subdirectory of your program. So click here. So still works just because my file contains the code that would display a particular string called test. So let's say Rico, see if it works. So Rico comes out. Okay, so this is how to process your string with the use of external file called the myfile.js or within your code. So thank you.